activity. To the activity. To the TV before we arrive. To the you see to the city by the barbecue. To be get to the safe to puppy to the to be to the to go with the table right to the Jedi to game to the rotation with 2 days to be died all the taste and every day to globalize the justice still keeping shooting running to keep it eyes to be safe there's always COVID to be the CFI so it is some to become but to say so right to be tested to the spirit of conviction that's override to be said it's just a PBT before the day will go right to be said we seek activities classity paradise classity bullet the Riviera tables all lies all arise just in case you could roll a levy TBC this time instead about to cut about to get about to right to come and to before a place you can't go past the people up pace with fly be your bear from us while they pros people crew people party bags that leave a cab but tell me must be Sukaji hey altitude the reset we are come my system TSA now we will praise reach the fear so it could have taken territory the cup because those the real interior the song like a tiny above me per minutes multiplied to just a pass and zero 6 to beat advance to we get a so the territory turn a more to be to survive to be the time very bad to have to cause it's that yeah we use it good we show to get it file to the say to call it the time to the time a conversation that is for my new taste my system is to sell it seems to bury but a light that is a cold of Peter by see something to test to see to say days to have a fall of it a force of you but talking to the light is at the proper time some mocking Tot the pop and have a hard to say we get what to say to get to such a better kid a say was that it fun to get it is say or all the way I had a ton of sense cause less a problem now to tell the taste survive see the power kids a terrible taste of what's a pity pain it's a side to say it's so lies to get away the size all divided to say the same but terror case to be accurate change the speed of round Bluetooth was the going punch of being first to take a race the call that makes people still want to go decide you had the super tanks to take your eyes you get a documentation and you open out the tube so to recall is the game to you double post to actual the main menu to has a roaming camera to battle down must be Atlantic suits to change for time where you can see your name on top of letters scan to better your days to gotta take to gotta better take we can talk we can say somebody to go we can test some scope for Cena we go to the taste of the test to we can will of all with every wall play or we taste about TV we tell me say Peter battle tema oh la vida is la la li so PK we can taste and TV to go with CV to what it says you taste and TV to take we can take to just stop to do to go we gotta taste some TV gotta taste some tabi taste so big up up and up oh yeah PJ to pick at a taste Ahora, señor, recuerdas a él. Hablas tu español y recuerdas a él. Amigos de Well, buenos días. Gracias, es buen de Jael. Abuela, puta de la madre, aguantes a él. Es buen de Jael. Hola. Hola.
Hola. Arriba. Ándale.
Arriba. Está Tiel.
Ándale. Arriba.
¿Qué es lo que hay, Tiel?
Todo el mundo.
Yo, what's up?
Hablar conmigo.
Yeah, what's up, everybody, man? Yeah. Oh, yeah, hey. Shut up, man. Fuck off. Hey, where are you from? What's the color with this shit? Yeah, I'm in a college fair. I'm a nigga, man. I'm a black. Yeah, what's up? Hey, check it out. Yeah, check it out. I'm a nigga, P-I-T-O, C-K-T. Rock, P-K-T, son, 2-B-K.
Hablar conmigo.
Yeah, what's up? Dude, what's up? Did you get with the chase? Peter together, get a chase, CGT. Yeah, man. Arma to. Yeah. Fuck off. Shut up. Fuck off, buddy. Nobody. What I mean, nobody really care about what you say. Alright? Yeah. Oh fuck. Why put like this to you have to be rude as a crap called Arma 2? This game sucks my balls. It's so damn slucky in a NASA computer that I can go fuck the check crap up with now. Fuck them. You beat up the game. There's a Swiss member here. Chris Johnson, what's going on? Alright, where are you?
If you say something,
Yeah.
ignore him.
Again?
That's my...
Where are you guys? 1 second, you have lost! I can't believe that all after this training, you are fucking ignoring the rules! You stayed at the fucking team! Are you so fucking hard to follow the damn guy in front of you? Have you ever care play as a corporation? You're fucking damn retard! Let me tell you, first thing...
Dedicated says, get arrived, Peter K. Sound to be the stay. This is disgusting. You're disgusting.
You look as fucking disgusting as does my sister after she got shot by shotgun. And that was a suicide tryout. I can't just believe what the fuck is going on here. What is the password? 658 65867. Alright, I got the passport, alright. So where we go with this passport? Is that your bank account? Can I use it? Can I use the passport to just take the fuck money out of your fucking bank account? Because you fucking done other shit. I want you die. I want you to be dead, guy. Whatever it takes, I want to make sure that nobody ever in the fucking world leave the guy like you.
This sticky kid. Fuck up, whatever it is. It is a fucking word, we'll leave up. No spamming channel.
Alright, I'm the only person here who is actually over adult. I'm the only adult here, only guy over 80 years. I see only bunch of the kids here playing with the fucking toys. This is disgusting, this is shame. Your parents have been forget. Take the family and parenthood. Do this. The students are fucking keeping the ignorance of the fucking crap you guys are doing. Fuck around.
Alright, David says. Alright, this looks like that's Vuopile la probabile la nostra dicia la pelima lo per la vivere dice e la no.
I'm so